Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at the all-new Sea Ray SDX 270. All right, so one of the first things everyone notices when they get up on board this boat is for a 27-foot boat, it has a really large cockpit. So I like the fact you have two flip-flop backrests, and you can flip this towards the front of the boat so somebody can sit here face backwards while you're pulling the kids on the tubes or the skis. Wireless charging pads down inside of the backrest, and once you get to where you're going, you can flip this up. That seat will also flip, so you have a nice rear-facing bench seat back there. Simrad system built in the dash. Also, head compartment. I'm a tall guy. I can actually fit down inside this one, which I can appreciate. It is vacuum flush, so it's really, really user-friendly. Just take it to the marina, have them pump it out. And extra large seating up here in the bow. So enough room to seat 2 or 3 people facing forward, which is the way that most people like to sit while the boat is underway. So really, really nice laid out boat, and with the largest engine available for this boat, it's the performance is really, really good. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.